Hello everyone, this is Team X4Y2 and I am Gunashekar and my teammates are Aditi Singh and Manish Dangi, and we are here to present our project Secure Store. So let's go ahead to the introduction of the project. Firstly, you must have seen the movie Three Idiots, right? So in that movie, there is a scene where the examination results are displayed on the public notice board, and the two protagonists go to the notice board to check the results, and they're like, "Niche se check it from the bottom," and it's very unfortunate that they come last, and then they realize that it is even more unfortunate that their friend has come first. So right after this scene, we see another protagonist, that is Amir Khan, talk to the director, saying that this is a very bad solution to displaying examination results. Then the director is like, "What else can I do? Should I go to everyone's ear and whisper what their grades are?" So that is definitely not plausible as well. And this is what we are trying to solve. The problem is that examination scores and results of the students are displayed publicly on the bulletin boards in India, and this causes a lot of unnecessary pressure on students and can lead to several undesirable consequences. In the United States, if you take for example, the release of such information is regulated by the FERPA Act. So we should do something to tackle this problem as well. And we propose a solution: an asymmetric key encryption based result publishing system. That is, all the results of the students are encrypted with the students' public keys, and only the student who has his private key can decrypt and view his grades. But this comes with a challenge: how to verify the authenticity of the grades if the student has full access to it. So if the student has full access to the grades and only he can view it, he might as well change the grades, right? And if they're applying for some company or higher education authority, they might just change the grades and give it to them. So that is not feasible as well, because we have to ensure that the authenticity is maintained as well. And for that, blockchain is the answer. We store the hash of the results on blockchain. Any modification on the original result can be easily detected, since blockchain is immutable. So once we deploy the original hash of the original result on blockchain, we can be assured that any result tampering can be easily detected, because the hash of the new result is going to be different, and that is not going to be on blockchain. Now coming to the concepts involved in our project. Firstly, asymmetric key encryption. In asymmetric key encryption, there are basically two keys, public and private key. The public key is available to everyone, whereas the private key is only available to the particular student. And the key point here is, any data that is encrypted by the public key can be decrypted only by the private key, and vice versa. So if we encrypt the results using the public key of the user, only the user who has his private key can decrypt it. The second important concept is blockchain. Blockchain, in its simplest terms, is an immutable list of records. That means anything that goes onto blockchain once cannot be modified. So it stores data and guarantees that data tampering does not take place. Moving ahead to the system architecture on how we implemented this. Firstly, the student side of the architecture. On the top, we can see how a student is registered. So I'll give you a gist of what is happening. Basically, when a student enters his roll number and tries to register, an OTP is sent to his mail, and he has to confirm this OTP. And once this OTP is confirmed, a private key public key pair is generated. The public key is saved onto the database, and the private key is available for download for the user. And it is very important to know that private key is only on the client side and is only available to the user, and it does not go to the server. Now the user has the private key using which he can decrypt his results. Now the second flow diagram that you see here is that of fetching and viewing the results. So the student enters his roll number and the semester number for which is getting the grades, and the encrypted result is fetched from the database. And once that is done, he uploads his private key, and the decryption is done on the client side itself, and the results are displayed. Now moving to the admin side on how he uploads the grades. The admin So coming to the admin side on how he uploads the grades, the admin firstly uploads the CSV file, and it is passed in the backend, and each and every result of every student is encrypted with this particular student's public key, and then it is stored in the database. The encrypted result is stored in the database, and after this the hash of the result is also pushed onto blockchain so that it can be verified for authenticity. Now coming to the verifier side of it, this is very easy. The verifier just hits an verify endpoint and sends along the hash that he wants to verify. So on the client side, the hashing takes place of the grades that the student must have submitted to the verifier, and that hash is checked on the blockchain, and if it is present on the blockchain and if it is not tampered, then we can be assured that the result is genuine. So that was the system architecture. Now moving on to the tech stack. The front end has been developed on React.js. Backend has been developed using Node.js and MongoDB. For encryption, we use the Node RSA library for the asymmetric key encryption. And for blockchain, we use the Ethereum blockchain with the contract deployed on the Matic network. Coming to the conclusion. So we developed a system to publish exam results with both high levels of confidentiality as well as authenticity. And now let's move on to the demo. So on the first page, we have three options here: admin, student, and verifier. You can be either of these three categories. So going to the student category, this is our landing page where you can see a brief about what our application is. You can go to register and just enter, the student can just enter his or her roll number. So I'll just enter my roll number and I can click on get OTP, and you can see that the OTP has been sent to mail. So checking my mail, I received a mail with the OTP. Now I have to enter this OTP here so to register myself, and then I get my private key for download. I have to save this private key for future use. Now going back to the first page, and now we can log in as the admin to upload the results. So logging in as the admin. Once I log in as the admin can upload the results. For this, he has to enter the semester number for which he is uploading the results, and the batch as well as the grades. Grades.csv is basically a file which contains the grades of all the students, their roll numbers, and the respective grades in several subjects. Uploading the results. This took a little longer than the other APIs because this has to be pushed on blockchain as well. The hash of the results has to be pushed on blockchain. So we see the message saying that the results have been successfully uploaded. Now going to the student, now we can view the results. So we enter our roll number, we enter the semester number, and we upload the private key. Clicking on submit, we see these are our results. Now we can also, I can show you what happens if we upload a wrong private key. So this was our private key file. So let's say I just deleted a few part of it. So I tampered the private key. So let's say anyone has a wrong private key. Now uploading the wrong private key and trying to submit it. You can see that something went wrong. So anyone with the wrong private key cannot decrypt their results. Now changing it back to the correct private key, and going to student results, uploading the correct private key. We can see the results now, and we can download this as well. So it is downloaded in results.txt file. Now let's say I have to apply for a company, or if I have to apply for some higher education institute, I'll be submitting this result.txt to them. That person, whoever is the verifying authority, can go log in as the verifier, use this platform as a verifier and upload the result that has been sent to him. Clicking on view, he can see that he can see the results that I sent to them. This is same as what I just showed in the student tab as well. And not only view, he can also verify if these results are correct or not. So entering the roll number and semester number, and the grades of the student. Clicking on verify, we can see that the uploaded result has been successfully verified on blockchain. So the hash of the results that is sent is very genuine and can be proved to be correct. Now let's say I tamper the results from, let's say, from 9 to 10, and going back to the verify, so I think VCS 31. I uploaded the same roll number again, but I'm uploading the false result now. Clicking on verify, you can see that the result has been tampered. So it can be very easily identified if the result has been tampered or not. So this was our application where we provide confidentiality and authenticity to examination results so that people can trust us both with confidentiality and authenticity. And now coming to the marketing points on how we can sell this product. Firstly, there are two USPs for this product. First, as I discussed, the Three Idiots example, right? There are so many students in India. We hear a lot of very unfortunate cases every day that people are students are under pressure, and they're taking serious consequences because of that. That is definitely not what we want. And this system, which ensures confidentiality of grades, can definitely help us do that. Next, if you just type out education fraud India in Google, you'll see tons of links saying that there have been a lot of education frauds in India where a lot of students and some people, like even politicians, they are faking their grades and faking their degree certificates and results, because there is no hard and strong verifying authority who can authenticate their results. But this platform will help you do that. This will maintain both confidentiality and authenticity, and that is how our product can definitely be a great product for all the universities out there. So that was about Secure Store. Hope you liked it. Thank you.